Now we are discussing about digital CRO. In the digital CRO, compared to analog CRO, the voltage of the signal which we are measuring, that voltage will be directly displayed. That is the advantage. We have already discussed about the analog CRO. Now we are trying to understand about the digital CRO. When we were discussing about the analog CRO, we discussed any physical signal, when we convert to electric signal, that electric signal can be seen in the CRO. If you want to see the sound, this sound has to be converted to electrical signal, and this electric signal can be observed on the CRO. Similarly, when you go to the hospitals, you will observe many patient monitoring devices like ECG. In those devices, they will be connected to the patient. They will take the patient vitals and they will display on a device like cathode ray oscilloscope. So here, any signal, if we convert to electric signal means it might be either voltage signal or current signal, that electric signal can be observed on the CRO. So CRO is used to see the electrical signal. To visualize the electric signal, we use the CRO. In the digital CRO, we are trying to power on the CRO. I have switched on. There is a power button here. I am giving the AC voltage to CRO. Now the CRO is turning on. In this CRO, we have two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. At a time, we can observe two signals on the CRO. These two signals, amplitude and the frequency, displayed on the CRO screen. This screen is like your graph. There are some control knobs. These control knobs are used to adjust the signal for our better visibility. So these control knobs, background, they are nothing but the potentiometer which we have discussed in our theoretical subject. When we are trying to vary these knobs, accordingly signal adjustment will be done. I am taking a specialized equipment to connect my signal. Why can't we connect with a normal wire? If I connect my electric signal with a normal wire to this channel 1 or channel 2, then that signal will not go to the CRO because the physical signal will be in the range of millivolts and microvolts. So when the physical signal is in the range of the millivolts and microvolts, that physical signal will be completely attenuated in the wire itself. So we will not observe any signal in the CRO. So we should not use normal wires to connect our electric signal to CRO. Instead, we have designed a specialized equipment with which we can connect our electric signal to CRO. This specialized equipment is called as CRO probe. By using this CRO probe, we can connect our electric signal to the CRO. You see, on the one end of the probe, we have the two terminals, positive and negative terminals, in order to connect the signal. On the second end, we have the BNC connector. This is called as bayonet concealment. We have two channels for observing the two signals at a time in the CRO because it is a dual channel cathode ray oscilloscope. Here I am connecting my signal to channel 1. Presently I have not given any signal, some random noise is there. So you observe here the signal is being displayed, but little bit amount of time it will take. In order to minimize the time, I am pressing on the auto. Just I am clicking the button auto. When I clicked on the button auto, whatever the signal that is present, that is coming. You see, this is the signal that is present, that is coming. When I am touching some wall here, you see the signal is changing. That much sensitivities. Even by touching the wall, it is measuring the signal, electrical equivalent signal. When it is touching to my hand, one end of the hand, you see the signal is changing. That much sensitivities. So this CRO, any type of the electrical signal. In this, my hand also it is finding some electric signal. When we are touching to this wall, it is finding some electric signal. But these are the noise signals. In reality, we will give the signals by using the function generator. We will try to understand what is function generator, and we will connect the signal to CRO by using the function generator.